Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of Walgreens exclusive Cyber Battalion Prowl. Can he hold a weapon? So let's flip this out and kind of see if we could give him a weapon. Yes, he can hold a weapon in his hand, which actually that's not too bad of a weapon choice. Which, as we can clearly see right here on the box, he is holding some sort of a crossbreed sniper, assault rifle, Mossman type of rifle, some kind of rifle there. As you can clearly see on the box that he's holding, and yet we do not get that. So it's kind of make your own weapon idea. So instead of getting that, he has a compression cannon type of deal. Which, I mean, this actually kind of looks good. You got the red there, which kind of matches the red with him. The silver, which looks more gunish, I guess you could say. Or I guess you might say, well, it matches his face and the grill. Okay. The black matches, everything else that's black. And the blue matches the blue. Only thing it doesn't have is, white on here. But, yeah. Not a bad little choice that I came up with. I mean, this does have yellow, but yellow headlights. But, yeah. Anyway, let's pop that off and see how we transform this little fella. Same as the other one. Take the head, rotate, which I don't think I said that the head rotate, but yeah, it does rotate like that. Lift up the whole chest thing, which will go like that. So like that, okay. Now they're saying just tapping like this, fold his feet inward. And of course, just like the other one, gonna have a tab there and a slot there. It's gonna have, actually this one is made differently than Sideswipe. Sideswipe had a tab up here, which this one still has the tab. But this one down here by the foot had a pad and a pad hole. This one actually has another tab, so it's double tab. While this one was a tab and pad hole. Let's see what actually works better. Double tabbing or a tab and pad hole.